Hello guys, welcome to another video. I do apologize for the break that I had a week ago. When I couldn't actually post anything. I was very busy, and yeah, I hope you'll understand. I had some of the problems with the video cards. Right now my system, the 4th generation i5, it has a problem with the video card. My R9 280X just wouldn't post anymore. I have it right here in front. The Sapphire R9 280X, it actually stopped working. I've checked the PCB, see if it has any problems, and it doesn't. The problem is the LCD just remains black all the time. I inspected the PCB entirely, and I couldn't find any problems so far. But my conclusion is the GPU die actually died. So in order to fix this issue, you have to replace the entire GPU. You can also have the rebuilding, even if the GPU is still viable. But in my case, probably I'm going to try to order a new chipset, a new GPU die for the R9 280X. I'm not sure when, but probably there is the best options if the PCB doesn't have any issues, like the phases from here and the voltage regulators or other issues. Yeah, that's quite unfortunate. Right now in my system I have running the another graphics card. I'm going to show you exactly what it is. We have the 7900 series. Is the R9 7950 with 3 GB of RAM. It's basically the same, but the bandwidth here, instead of 240 GB per second, compared to the R9 280X, is actually less, because on the R9 280X you'll see here, like, instead of 240 it has 288 or something. But it's got the Hynix memory. All I can tell you is the compared to the LPDA on this older graphics card, the Hynix seems to be more jumpy. I mean, the performance, I saw an increase in during the gameplay actually. So yeah, compared to the LPDA. Some of the guys that I say that the LPDA is actually better, but in my case, when I've tested on many computers, I saw the Hynix are more jumpy. Anyway, it's just my opinion. Pardon. Okay, we have instead of the 1020, we have the 900 by, and for the memory we have 1250 megahertz compared to the 1500 to the R9 280X, and so on. And the specs can continue, as you can see here in the GPU Z. Yeah. Another program that I use is the for controlling the fans. I have the 120mm inside. The case has actually 7 or 8 fans installed on it. The one in the front, two on the bottom, and another one that actually blowing the air into the GPU, so you actually cool down the graphics card. But the problem is, it's not a problem for the Asus, because it's the direct CU2 and it doesn't have any problems by overheating or something. Yeah, so from here I can control the speed fan for the CPU if I want to go 100%. and the second is the 120mm that I was telling you about. We can set to 70, and yeah. From here you have to go to the advanced and choose your motherboard. So you can see I have set here this on the software controller, so I can control it from there. Yeah. We do have the MSI afterburner turned on, and we're going to start the grid so we can actually see how we're actually performing compared to the R920X. It's not going to be a huge improvement because the R920X is actually faster. The loading times for the game is going to take a while because the hard drive is almost full right now. I have downloaded a lot of programs, and if I didn't have the available space so I can free up, I couldn't make the hard drive running smoother. And we're going to resume the game. The purpose for this video is to show you that the 7950 can actually perform quite good compared to the R927-280X, which is basically the same, but the clock speeds and the is actually a little bit different, and it's basically the same. For the 7950 was actually a better card. I do remember that when it was released, and it worked flawlessly, even in today's games. Some games, of course. You cannot set this on ultra. I forgot to tell you that the game right now is just running on 1080p, 1920 by 1080. Oh my god. He just pushed me into the wall for no reason. I'm not gonna be able to catch him, but the idea for is to show you that we have the locked 60 FPS. I made a mistake by watching to the left corner. It's bad, I know. We have the temps running at 60 degrees, 61. This game running no problem on this machine. I'm playing with my left hand, and it's very difficult for me to stabilize the car. Yeah, I'm going to end this right now. Okay, so you can make an idea that the 7950, it does work very nice for the grid, or you can try the other games. I do play the World of Tanks. It's very nice, and it actually can handle very nicely the detail, high detail or medium details. Just Yeah, so anyway, I hope on this I hope that this week I can try to make more videos, because there was a gap like a week or so when I couldn't post anything. Yeah, I'm going to show you more in depth about the how the repairing is going, and how the gameplay actually working on the 7950 right here. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.